Okay guys, we're at Artel. Hey Mr. Randy. We're in the we're in the vault with a solo show that I was honored with. So very happy to show off my new resin sculptures. It's the only place you can find them. Isn't that a beauty? Very much so. Yes, I priced everything to sell, because I would rather these get into someone's home where they will enjoy them. New artwork over here. So this is Artel Gallery in Pensacola on Halifax and Government. Tables, sculptures, more new paintings over here. I didn't even count how many pieces I have here, but there's a slew. But these are really cool. Fun things. This is our bottle art. Angel's Envy, Ravenous, some of them tell a story, Cock of the Walk. So I named him Cocky, and On the Rocks. So here's the other sculptures. So when you get a chance, come on by. There is a reception on the 26th, I believe, of March, but I'll put that on Facebook. Thanks a lot. Bye.